Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of programming and technology. I'm your host, and today we have an exciting topic for you. We're going to discuss the top 10 programming languages to learn in 2024. So, if you're ready, let's dive right in. Number 10 on our list is Rust. Rust has gained significant popularity in recent years due to its focus on memory safety and performance. It's a systems-level programming language that offers strong static guarantees, making it a great choice for projects that require high performance and security. Coming in at number 9 is Swift. Swift has made its mark as a powerful and intuitive language for developing iOS and macOS applications. With its modern syntax and extensive libraries, Swift continues to be a valuable skill for anyone interested in mobile app development. At number 8, we have Kotlin. Kotlin has become the preferred language for Android app development, and its popularity continues to rise. With its concise syntax and seamless integration with Java, Kotlin offers an excellent alternative for building robust and efficient Android applications. Number 7 on our list is TypeScript. TypeScript is a strongly typed superset of JavaScript, which adds static typing and other advanced features to the language. It's widely adopted in web development, and its popularity is expected to grow even further in the coming years. Now, let's move on to number 6, which is Go. Go, also known as Golang, has been gaining traction as a language for building scalable and efficient back-end systems. Its simplicity and built-in support for concurrency make it an excellent choice for handling modern web applications and microservices. At number 5, we have Python. Python has been a dominant language in various domains, including web development, data science, and artificial intelligence. It offers a vast ecosystem of libraries and frameworks, making it versatile and beginner-friendly. Coming in at number 4 is C++. C++ remains a widely used language in areas such as game development, embedded systems, and high-performance computing. Its ability to provide low-level control while maintaining high-level abstractions makes it invaluable for many demanding applications. Now, let's talk about number 3 on our list, which is JavaScript. JavaScript is the language of the web and continues to dominate the front-end development landscape. With frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue.js, JavaScript enables the creation of dynamic and interactive web experiences. At number 2, we have Java. Java has been a cornerstone of enterprise development for many years, and it's not going anywhere in 2024. With its robustness, scalability, and vast community support, Java remains a safe bet for building large-scale applications. And finally, our number 1 programming language to learn in 2024 is, drumroll, please, Rust. Yes, Rust takes the top spot on our list. As mentioned earlier, its focus on memory safety, performance, and concurrency makes it an ideal choice for the future of systems programming. And there you have it, our top 10 programming languages to learn in 2024. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced programmer, these languages offer exciting opportunities in various domains. Remember, the best language to learn ultimately depends on your interests and the projects you want to pursue. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of our upcoming content. Thank you for watching, and happy coding!